Good morning, cyber traders. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Good to see you, Brad, Lewis. Good to see you all. Everyone on social media, welcome back for the 9 o'clock morning meeting. About 30 minutes until liftoff, until the market takes off. And we got a couple of nice, interesting stocks as usual. Looks like some of the brand names look doing pretty decent too. Obviously, very, very big earnings week. And, we'll take a look at some of those. By the way, I did post up a quick, I don't know if you guys saw that up here. I posted up that link right here. What is it? The those videos I made. Everybody see those videos I just posted up on Amazon about the trade on Amazon? There they go. Let me just post it up there and here on social media if you guys didn't see that. So I want to talk about that because that was a really good video I did yesterday. And I was talking to some students. Listen, we have people always want to join Cyber Trading University. And you know what? They joined because they traded the wrong way. All right. Just the total wrong way. And I want to basically just bring up this one little short right here. And, basically, let me just separate this right here and show what I got going on. So you could see right here, I basically made this quick little short. And if you read it, it basically said this is why people who learn on their own are clueless about where to sell and don't see where Wall Street are dumping their shares. And that is why 90% of the traders end up getting stuck holding the bag. Now, just to reiterate, there's a little bit of a longer video, the one that's on top of it. And right here, you see there's 190,000 shares at $190. There's almost a 400,000 share seller out there. That stock, I just want to bring this up over here and show you where it is right now. So Amazon, look exactly what happened yesterday. Okay. So this is right here, resistance levels. Here's 90. Okay. You notice how never hit 90. All right. This is gonna really boggle your mind because as much as I want to do a quick little training example here, but I just want to kind of reiterate because that video, please like it, share it, okay, leave a comment on it. But why did it not hit 90? Okay, why did it stop specifically at 198.94? Why that number? Was that the number? Yeah. 198.94. You see the top left-hand corner? 198.94. Why didn't it hit 190? What do you think? Anyone on social? What do you think? You guys have been trading for a while. That's why you're here. You want to know the main reason? No, not because it's close to 200. Okay. Remember we had Tom Sosnoff from Thinkers Tasty Trade on before, and then we had and we were going over, and it's like some of you here trade options. Do you know how many orders are out there at options at 190? You think the street doesn't know that? Do you think like they just basically just tease it just enough just to before it got to that number? You think this is, remember what I always taught you as a trader, never buy and sell at stocks that end in zeros and fives. All right. So, and if you didn't do that beforehand, you would have been last on that list of the 400,000. If you just went out there at 190, 189, 90, you would have cut the line by almost 400,000, which is about $70 million worth of stock. And look what a great short that was. It went from that 190 all the way down to 187. Now, I own it as a long, okay? But I owned, well, before I even explain that. So look at this stock right here. Look how it basically did the same exact thing on the long-term chart. All right. Isn't that unbelievable right there? And if you didn't know it, because it was been out there all the way since April, it went all the way down to 167, but it came all the way back to 190. But if it breaks 190, you know what's going to happen? Does everyone remember the video I did and the trades that we've done on this stock, NVIDIA? Okay. Remember right here when the stock had a major resistance levels going back last year, and we talked about that big, huge iceberg order at 500, and it never want to get past 500, and it was like that all the way into July. It tested, and then finally it's like, wow, I had to go to 500 to 1,000. Well, that's what listen, got to get past that big iceberg order. Okay, so it was a good short yesterday. Could it break it? Yeah, if we get past that big order. Anyway, That was only one of the really good trades. So please go out there, watch that video, like it, you know, make sure you ring the bell, make sure you give a thumbs up, and definitely leave a comment on it. All right. So that was the one of the stocks I want to talk about. Anyway, there was a bunch of stocks that were moving yesterday. Regarding, I want to go over that really quick. There was SMMT that did phenomenal. Listen, now you have to deal $190 stock because I have a new, we have new students that joined us yesterday, and they're like, well, that's why they trade options because they can't afford it. Do you know that you could try this? You could trade the stock and they're like, and make the same amount of money that you would pay as an option, like because listen, that's what the options probably to cost on Amazon. But you could just trade SMT. That thing ran from 450 to 530. I mean, you could made a lot more money on that trade. GameStop was also another good pop yesterday. That the stock's been doing really well for us. $10 up to 18. It's not only been a great day trade, but it lead into a big swing trade. Another nice move on that yesterday. NAZ was another one. Cheap little stock. This stock got destroyed last year. It was at 220s. Now it's down to $1. Very cheap little stock. Slow for all you beginner traders. Place. That one also early big mover. That one's remember Place? Remember we trade this stock when it came out with earnings and it went from like $20, went all the way to 8. And then for some crazy reason, it just bounced, went to 12, then went to 16. The next day, ran all the way to $38. That's what you call a great short squeeze. Someone got their asses hammered to them on that stock. That was a lot of fun that day. Anyway, she also moved yesterday, and that was also a pretty good one. Now, that's the past. Let's talk about the future. The future is what's moving on today, what's going on today in the market. So there were a couple of good stocks out there that are making a big move. I do want to start off with this one stock right here. This one, SLNH. Now I'm noticing that a big iceberg order just showed up around 265. Once again, go watch the video, everybody, if you want to know what iceberg orders are. I don't know how anybody would even consider even trading without even knowing where Wall Street is placing their orders, all the algorithm, the high frequency trades. But anyway, big iceberg order right there. Stock looks decent. It's got good volume, almost 8 million shares trade in pre-market, and the market's not even open. Program trading has started kicking in. So the stock looks like it's going to be a pretty volatile one. And that one looks pretty fun right there. This one just came out of nowhere. That's why we like to start at 9 a.m. So I don't have it on my list. VI was it? Oh, VC. I thought it was VO. Got to get the data on this stock. Nice little push right here. Dollar to 230. Probably it's going to be extremely volatile. You got some orders out now that just showed up. Very, very small at $1.80. I'll just show you right here. You can see it right there. See the orders right there? $1.80, and 285. That's basically where it hit resistance levels. Yeah, right there. See it right there? Ooh, never hit it. I wonder why. Sounds like another Amazon trade. Anyway, that stock, big stock I hit from 20. We traded the stock before. You should be very familiar with it. This one right here, Rubin, REBN. A lot of big iceberg orders holding at 290. You can see right here, right around the 290 right there. Okay, that order is still sitting out there. I can see not a lot, probably like about 20,000. Okay, REBN. That one's not bad. 50%, 9 million shares. Wow. The stock, I don't like the chart on that one. I saw this one too. This one I'm sorry, we already know about that one. We already talked about that one. RBPX. What's up with this stock? We traded this stock in the past. Decent volume, good spread. She's on the downtrend, pharmaceutical stock. NEVH. Volume's pretty decent. She just started making some moves right now. NIVPVF. Let's see what we got going on here with this stock. It got some good. You know what? There was an order out there at $1.10. Looks like he pulled it, and looks like he just tried laddering up. Put it on the B list. NIVF. That's not all right. Put that one there. Seed is moving this morning, but I don't like the chart on it. This stock, I don't know what the hell happened to this stock. This stock got destroyed too. Another one, but I'm not too crazy about the chart right now. It looks like she just started making a move right now. Yeah. C930. We're just starting to get some data right here. IVP. Not bad. What else we got here? This one started moving, not too crazy about it. Tesla's taking a big hit this morning, looks like. So remember, if you can't, obviously you don't trade Tesla because I can't trade Tesla, I want to trade the options. You could trade ETF. You got TSLL that's going along with it. So Tesla is going back on the watch list. Looks like we probably have a good short on that one. What's this? Laser. That one we already know about. Losers. Ain't good shorts right here. This is a pharmaceutical stock. Yeah, these don't come back. Trip. Wow, that one's getting crushed. Could be a good short. Trend is your friend. Don't buck the trend. Remember, triple put on there. I didn't really see anything on New York Stock Exchange. I saw Reddit back up there again. The stock was a pretty good swing trade. It's a new IPO, a lot of support levels. Looks like she's starting to make a little bit of a move this morning. Is it past the 30 days? Usually past 30 days, and they can short it. So it looks like that 50 was big resistance, started coming back. I'm not gonna trade Reddit. Reddit's very fast and very we trade that stock. Very difficult to trade. This one's getting crushed. $18 stock, making a little bit of comeback. All right, doesn't look like any of those. Oh, Lyft. Can Lyft come out of earnings? Yeah, it looks like that one's not doing that one's doing okay. Mara's on its way down after having a nice little run. That's about it. Reviana has earnings, right? That one looks like it's looked like there's the earnings from yesterday. Slingshot on a downtrend. Not looking okay. So obviously that's probably one of the reasons why all those EV stocks are going down. So Rivian also due to the IP due to earnings. All right. Anything I'm missing? Anything I'm missing? Pretty decent list. We know half of them not going to be any good, but we're going to find a new half when the market opens up. Listen, make sure you watch that video, okay? Because I think it was a pretty good lesson learned. Remember, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you watch them. I try to put one out every day. Sometimes, two a day. But those are really good tips of the day if you're new here to Cybertrade University. Plus, it always just ensures everyone here to kind of like what is our ultimate style, what we trade at Cybertrade University. Tomorrow, we have open house again on Thursday. If you're watching on social media, if you're watching recorded, just take your phone, scan that QR code in the top left-hand corner. You have the link up there too. You can come and join us to join the trading room all day long and see what we do all day. And then and hopefully you can make you part of the team. For trial members, like we always tell you, just watch, look, listen, and learn, the 3 L's. Traders, let's get ready for the market open up. Let's go hit our quick break for 15 minutes. We'll start commentary once the market opens up. So just stay logged in, and we'll see you in a little bit. Good luck, everybody. Happy trading and trade safe, all right? See you when the market opens up.